Akala ko ikaw ay akin, totoo sa aking paningin. Ayan. Explanation na tayo sa ating topic about, anong topic natin? From joy to heartache relationship, can you handle? Ayan. Explain na natin ito para madalian lang. So, handling a heartache is a relationship that can be challenging. But here are some steps to help you navigate the situation. Number 1, acknowledge your feelings. Are you hurt or are you You have to accept that you're hurt already. Acknowledge. Recognize and accept your emotions even if they're painful or uncomfortable. Wala naman tayong magagawa dyan. Accept it. Number 2, communicate openly. Share your feelings and concerns with your partner in a calm and respectful manner. So, yon. Don't be afraid to have a communication openly. Identify the source of reflect on the root cause of the heartache and address it together. So, what's the reason of heartbreak? Diba? Heartbreaking. Number 3, reflect on the root cause of the heartache and address it together. Number 4, listen actively. Hear your partner's perspective and work towards understanding each other. Number 5, take responsibility, apologize, and make amends if you contributed to the heartache. Ayan. Huwag masyadong malinis na you will not accept na may mali din. 5, take responsibility. Ano ba yan? Number 3, identify the source, reflect on what root cause of the heartache and address it together. Number 4, listen actively, hear your partner's perspective and work towards understanding each other. Number 5, take responsibility, apologize and make amends if you've contributed to the heartache. Number 6, seek clarity. Discuss what you both want and expect from the relationship moving forward. Number 7, foster empathy. Try to understand each other's feelings and validate each other's emotion. Number 8, take a break. If needed, consider temporary separation to process your emotions and gain clarity. Yan. Number 9, seek support. Reach out to the friends, family, or a therapist for guidance and support. Number 9 is seek support. Reach out to friends. Number 10, forgive and move forward. Works towards healing and rebuilding your relationship or decide to part ways with grace and respect. Remember, relationships involve ups and downs, and working through heartache can strengthen your bond and foster growth. The last is pray. Prayer, ask grace, the grace na ask. So that's it for our live stream today. Very